Hello and welcome back! Judging by the sheer number of Macross team videos, I think you already know that I'm a huge fan. Space and anime is my thing, and today's unboxing will be a figure from the last installment of the franchise, Macross Delta. We already had two clips from the series, Mikumo in her purple dress and Reina in green. This time we have the show's protagonist Freyja Wion, the lovable Windermerian singer of the series band, the Walküre. She has a charming, bubbly personality and a caring heart, which kinda makes her similar to Ronkali from the previous Macross series Frontier, but they definitely are not copycats of each other. She is the last one to join the Walküre, or Walküre in English, the band that fights along UN Spacey's fighter jets, and with the help of their music, they can suppress the violent outbursts and effects of the galactic plague known as the War Syndrome. She is one of the love interests of the show's lead pilot, Hayate Immelman, who is probably one of the most complex male protagonists of the Macross franchise, having a little bit of everything in himself from the past heroes. Hikaru's sense of responsibility, doubt, and fears of eventually ending the life of someone on the battlefield, Alto's humor, friendly demeanor, and loyalty, and even Basara's humane and pacifist stand, which allows him to be cordial even with the morose Lieutenant Massa. Too bad there are no figures of him, but that's the downside of being a Macross fan, you hardly have anything from the male characters. This figure of Freyja came from Mandareke as well, as have so many of my recent purchases. It shows her in her red and black Walküre stage outfit in a funky pose. The figure itself does not have any visible errors. Maybe on a close-up inspection you could find some painting mistakes, but nothing stands out to me, to be honest. It's a lovely addition to my continuously growing Macross collection, and as far as the Walküre go, only 2 of them are left, Makina and Kaname, probably the ones hardest to find on the market. Stay tuned for their videos too. Thank you for watching.